Hey friends, let's do Every Time You Go Away guitar lesson by Paul Young. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easy to follow along, and we'll do the main solo at the end. So let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on the F, and our strumming pattern is going to be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. And that's one bar there. So F for a bar, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Then we're going to B flat, same strumming pattern, but we do that for two bars. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Then we're going to a C at 11, and we're just going to do this for half a bar. So just play your C chord, but add the first fret on the E string, and that's the only difference there. And we're just doing half a bar, so we're just going to do down, down, and then go back to C and just finish the strumming pattern off. Down, up, down, 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 up. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Then we go back to F for a bar again. B flat for two bars. Then go to the C at 11 to C and do that two times, C at 11 to C. And that's a rhythm guitar. Then we have this little solo playing over the top, so let me play that for you. So we're just starting second fret on the G, play 2, 3, 5, and then 2 on the D, and then 2, 3 on the D, and do that two times. And then we have this little run down. We're going to start on the B string, go 8, 10, 6, 8, jump to the G string, 7, 10, stay on the G string, 5, 7, D string the same, 7, 10, 5, 7, jump to the A string, 8, 10, 3, 5, and then the E string, 1. So just slowly. And that's our intro there. Then we have our verse, let me do that for you. So this time it's just F for a bar, same strumming pattern. A minor 7 for a bar. B flat for a bar. Then do our C at 11 to our C, half a bar on each. And just play that through two times, and that's our verse there. Then we have our pre-chorus, we play that for you. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that'd be fantastic. So let's get back into it. So we're just starting D minor, a bar there, same strumming pattern. Then an A7 this time, one bar. To the B flat again. Then we're going to this B diminished. You're going to play second fret on the A, third on the D, first on the G. You're going to have third fret on the B and first on the E, and a bar there. And that's guitar 1. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So then we have the heavy guitar for the pre-chorus. Let me play that for you. start with the D power chord, then play 5th fret E, 7 on the A, 7 on the D, and then just play a B flat power chord, and that's the heavy guitar, and then we have a clean guitar on the B diminished chord there. So we're just playing E, 4, 1, and then on the B, 3, and then on the G, 1. Then we're doing the diminished chord again, 2 on the A, 3 on the D, 1 on the G, and 3 on the B. So we have... And they're all the parts of the pre-chorus. Now let's have a look at the chorus. So this time it's just F for a bar, D minor 7 for a bar, G minor 7 for a bar, and our C at 11 to C. And just repeat that line twice, and that's our chorus, and then we have the second guitar. So we're just starting on the F chord, play the E string, then go to G, B, G, and then E. Go to our D minor 7, this time play the open D, G, B, G, E again. Go to our G minor 7, play the E string, and then again G, B, G on the 3rd fret, and then back to B on the 6th fret. So then to C, so we play the A string, open G, B, open G, E. Then we just got this little run, E, 1, 3, B, 1, 3, G, open 2. And then just go straight back to the F again, and repeat that through 2 times. And they're the parts to our chorus. From there we go back to the intro, but just play it through once with our little lead part as well. Back to the verse, which is exactly the same. Back to the pre-chorus, which is the same. All the guitar parts stay the same there. And then back to the chorus again. Then from there we have our solo, and we'll do that at the end. The solo rhythm is just our intro, F for a bar, B flat for 2 bars, C at 11 to C. Do that 2 times. From there we go back to the pre-chorus, which is the same, and then we have the chorus, and we do all the guitar parts to the end there. Now let's do the solo. So we're starting on the D string 3rd fret 2 times, 5th fret, 3rd fret, then 5, slide up to 7. Play 5G, back to 7D, 6 on the B, 5 on the G, 8 on the B, back to 5 on the G there, so slowly. When we get to that 5, we're going to slide up to 10 on the G and the B, and play it another 3 more times. 1, 2, 3, and then go 11 on the B, 10 on the G, 13 B, 10 on the G, and back to 10 and 10. Then you're going to jump to the 5th fret on the E, play it once, and then again, and hammer onto the 8. 6 on the B, and then 6 another 2 more times. 5 on the E, 6 on the B, 5 on the G 2 times. Then you go back to 10 on the G and the B, play it once, and then slide back to the 5s, and then play 5 on the G, 8 on the B, and then 5 and 6, 5 and 8, 5 and 6, and then go 7 on the D5 on the G. There. And the next part, D string 7, slide up to 8, G, 5, B6, G5, back to D, 8, 7, 8, 7, 5, and 8 on the A there. And then we go D string 7, 8, G5, B6, 8, slide up to the 10s again on the G and the B, and then come back to 5, G, 8 on the B, and then 5, 6, 6 two times, 5, 6, sorry, 2 times, 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 8 there. So. And then we have sort of arpeggio picking here. We go 3 on the G, 1 on the B, 1 on the E, and then go B, 1, 3, E, 1, go back to the first one, 3, 1, 1, and then G, 3, B, 1, E, open, and then open G, 1 on the B, open E, so slowly. And then when the sing starts, we just have this little run down. We're going to have B string 6, 5, 3 pull off, and then G, 5, 3, 2, and then D, 5, slide up to 7. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Every Time You Go Away guitar lesson by Paul Young. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.